Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review of this homemade ferry which I made by myself. I'll show you how that I come to make this. This is a ferry from Penang which they used to run, now no longer run. You can cut the pieces from a cardboard like this to become something like this, and of course you glue the parts together. And this is the front, which holds on like this, and this is the netting that I use to do the some sort like a railing and metal railing so people don't fall off. Now this is a handmade model, so it's not perfect. The ferry is approximately N scale, which is about 1 to 150. Now if I measure it to get against the real thing, it's around 1 to 160. The door in front is made from paper, so I can just remove it and put my 1/150 cars in it. 4 rows of cars, and put the paper door back. Now the upper deck is for car and pedestrian as well. This model is not 100% complete yet because I have yet to put the mast, which I don't think I will do because I want to put it in a plastic casing. The mast will be too high then, and also the name of the ferry is supposed to be here. I haven't decided on the name yet. And you can see the interior if I remove this door, and there's a staircase going up, and that's the bridge. Now this is a double-ended Ro-Ro ferry, so it moves. There is no front, there is no rear. This is the rear, this is the front, this is the rear, this is the front. It moves back and forth. So there you go, Penang Ferry, handmade from cardboard material. This is my paper ferry, and I'm just putting some finishing touches like this doorway, and I haven't built the door yet. And this is the bridge, and you have 2 ferries. You can see the interior, the upper deck. I haven't glued this in place properly yet. So is this. Yeah, but the blue one is finished, except for the mast. This is the ferry from Penang to Butterworth, but it's no longer in service. And I can open this. You can see the rope that they use to moor the ferry at the terminal, and you can insert this paper door back. It is very delicate, like so. And I haven't given the name for the ferry yet. So there you go. This is typical to Penang in Malaysia. Ferries. And welcome back to the final part of this ferry review. Now this is made from cardboard material, and I have finished both vessels. The only part missing is the mast listing on top, because I'm going to put it in a plastic casing, so I won't install the mast. Just to show you some details of the ferry, the upper deck, the lower deck is made from this, the door is made from this paper, and I have the rope here, the mooring rope, and in the interior I have the staircase as well. So let's just put this back. Now I think I'm going to stop at 2 ferries. Is enough. Also, I haven't put the name of the vessel yet. I have yet to decide what name should I put. And this is the blue one. Same thing as well. Mooring rope is there, and the staircase to the top. Now the blue one, I have made a hole so that the staircase protrude, whereas the yellow one I didn't put a hole, so the staircase just ends at the roof. It is too small and too delicate. So there you go. If I put it in the display case like this, yeah, that is why I don't put the mast. So the ferry Pulau Pinang, or Penang Ferry, and I hope you like this Ferry review. Please click like and support by subscribe to my channel. Bye.